Have you got some secret things that you want to hide? You know, like love letters, a diary, or even your pocket money stash? Well, what you need to do is make them disappear. Put them in a disappearing box. Watch this. Here's my pocket money stash. And look at this. Gone. Good, isn't it? How's about a secret diary? Look at that. No problem. Or some love letters. Gone. Good, isn't it? So no one will find your stuff, and only you know where it's gone. Simple to make in 4 easy parts. A 4-part attack. First, you need to find a box with a lid. Now, one of these washing powder boxes is perfect. And you need to cut a hole in the front of the box, so draw a guideline a couple of centimetres in from the edge. Now, you could use a ruler for this. And the idea is to cut this whole section out. So that'll go. Whenever you need to cut something out from the middle of your artwork, just make a hole with a sharp pencil into some modelling clay. This way, you can get your scissors in easily and make cutting out a lot easier. Next, make this hole into a window. So you need to find some see-through plastic packaging like this lid, or you could even buy plastic sheets from stationers and cut one to size. Then, tape it into position across the hole. Now, it's still an ordinary box at the moment, see? But here comes the secret. So look, if there's anyone nearby, a brother or sister, that you don't want to know the secret, get rid of them now. Gone? Right, here we go. The secret is mirror card. Now, to get it to fit your box, you need to measure the front of your box to get the width of the card, and then diagonally across the side of your box to get the length of your card. Then take your measurements and cut your card to size. Then place it into the box with this bottom edge at the back of the box, like that, and then lean it forward. So that's the secret. When you put things in this section, behind the mirror card, you can't see a thing through the window. But to make the illusion even more convincing, distract the eye even more by decorating the inside of your box. So first of all, remove your mirror card. Then draw around the bottom of the box onto some paper, and to get the right size, cut it out slightly inside the line. And when you've cut it out, design your pattern. Now, a symmetrical or repetitive pattern is best, like stripes, as it'll disguise the mirror better. Avoid words or numbers because they'll reflect backwards and spoil the secret. Then, colour in your design and glue it into position on the bottom. So on goes the glue, and in it goes. And do exactly the same for all the sides to your box. And when you finish decorating all the sides to your box, you'll have something that looks like this. And when you pop the mirror card back in, look at that. You'd never know it was there, and the illusion is complete. Well, almost. It still needs some finishing touches. So decorate it any way you like. This one's going to have a wooden chest effect, so I'm starting with some light brown. And when it's dry, paint on some wood grain in a darker shade of brown, and add on some hinges and gold pen detail. And when it's completely finished, here it is. Looks good, doesn't it? And everything you put into the disappearing box seems to disappear. Look at that. Gone. 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 So not only is it a great magic trick, it's perfect for making your secrets disappear, and to nosy snoopers, it just looks as if it's an empty box. Try it yourself, a secret box.